Hey guys, exciting news. My sexy Thermomix Noir has arrived, so I'm gonna open up this bad boy and see what it looks like. So first thing I've noticed is that they've added a bit of black packaging, a bit of black tape to the box. So when you order your Thermomix, this is how it's gonna arrive. Nice and safe in a great bit of secure packaging. Okay, first off, we've got some care instructions. And then we've got the box of the accessories. So here's going to be your varoma and your cup for your lid. Thermomix comes with a cookbook called Simple Ideas. This is where you're going to find out how to use the Thermomix and start making some really amazing food. Obviously, you'll get access to Cookie Do as well, and you get 6 months free access to Cookie Do, where you can have a look at all the different recipes on there and again, just start your journey with making really lovely, healthy food for yourself and your family. Okay, next up we have some protective packaging, and then ooh la la, the Thermomix is here. Right, I'm going to put the box down on the floor so that I can actually manage to pull it out. It's not very heavy, which is quite nice to know if you're receiving this package on your own. So there we have the Thermomix. And then we've got the user manual in the box as well. Da, 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 da. Oh my God, you're gonna see a Thermomix Noir for the first time in person. Oh wow, that is very, very slick and shiny. I can see my face in it. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. I've had clients say to me before, are there any different colours? And normally, obviously, I have to say no. But this month, I can say yes, there is another colour for Thermomix. Okay, so you might be wondering what's special about the Thermomix Noir. Well, this is the first time that Thermomix have ever made a different colour, and it's only on sale as a limited edition item till the 31st of March. So, as I understand it, stocks are starting to run a little bit low, but they are planning to still sell it and just advise you of waiting times. So, if you would like to get your hands on a black Thermomix, you have until the 31st of March. I really like the look of it. It's lovely. So, just take it out of this final bit of packaging. Now, when you first get your Thermomix, hopefully you'll know this from watching any of my other videos, these are mechanical arms which are locked shut currently to keep the bowl in place and secure during transit. To get these arms to open, you have to switch the Thermomix on. Also, you might notice that there's some blue colouring on these arms. You'd be surprised how many clients' houses I go to and they've still got the blue on, not realising that actually that's a protective sticker. So you can just peel those off as well. So you've unboxed your Thermomix, you've switched it on, you've taken the bowl out. Again, I highly advise you to watch my how to use your Thermomix demonstration. It will tell you all about looking after your Thermomix and the best way to use it. There is no difference between the black one and the white one other than the colour. So it really depends on your kitchen scheme as to whether you would prefer the white one, which kind of is my favourite still, even though this one is really beautiful, or indeed whether you have a grey kitchen or a white and black kitchen, and therefore the black Thermomix perhaps would suit your taste. So as usual, if you want to get your hands on a Thermomix, my details are coming below. Just drop me an email. I'll give you my mobile number and we can have a chat about your requirements over the phone. I offer full 5-star service in terms of welcome demonstrations and teaching you how to use your Thermomix to its best potential. I also run a Facebook group for my Thermomix clients, which is called Thermomix Dream Team. So you're welcome to join that. And I also have a client WhatsApp group that I only message people individually, just occasionally, just to keep you up to date with any information or sales that might be happening. So please do give me a shout. I'd be really happy to hear from you. Have a great day, guys. Bye.